Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable autoplay on Peacock TV. First of all, open up your web browser to get started. Now go to the URL box and type in peacocktv.com and search. After you log into your Peacock TV homepage, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right hand corner. Under Who's Watching, select your profile that you want to edit and then click on the pencil button right underneath your name. This will take you to edit your profile page. Scroll down and then toggle on the button right next to autoplay next video, and if you want to enable autoplay previews that allows videos to play in the background of landing pages for all devices, then you can toggle on the next button as well under autoplay preferences. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable autoplay on Peacock TV. This means when your video is completed, the option will autoplay the next video across all devices. After you are done enabling these options, you can get back and get to your profile, and that is how you should be able to enable autoplay feature on Peacock. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.